Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video on my channel, and today I will be giving you a review of the Optifine modification for Minecraft. So if you want to know what is Optifine and what can you do with Optifine and also what you get from Optifine, make sure you guys watch the whole video. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, right now I am in the Optifine's official website. You can just simply go to Google or any web browser you have and just simply type Optifine, and then it will come to this page. Just click on the first link you get. Let's close that, and this is how the real page looks like. And also guys, be careful because hackers might have put like Optifine mod, fake Optifine mods in the web, so make sure you are using the right Optifine website. So this is the real right Optifine website. If you want, you can read this, it's optional. I didn't read it. And if you are downloading it right now, you just have to go to downloads and you will see these. So when you see this, you might think, why in the world are there older versions of Minecraft when right now 1.16 has also been released? That's because these are the versions of Optifine that are finished making. They have stopped making it much better, like they have stopped working on it and it's finished making. So you just have to simply press on preview versions, and then you will get these. So these are the latest versions. These are the versions that are still working on. The Optifine developers are still working on. So you just have to simply press on 1.16.1. Just select your Minecraft version and just click on it. So I'm going to click on 1.16.1. It will redirect you to this website, and then simply skip it. And now simply press on download. So after that finishes downloading, Google will tell you that this type of file might harm your computer. That's because this is a jar file. This is a file that can run Java, but Google can't really recognize it. So I'm just gonna keep on keep. Okay guys, it's done downloading. So I'm just going to go and show it in the folder. So right now it's in the downloads. So since it downloaded, it's in downloads and it will come here. So how to open this? You don't unzip it. Do not unzip this. You just have to right click this and open with Java. But to open this, you have to download Java from Java, like from the Java website. You have to download it to your computer. That's the only way you can open this. So you just have to click this. It's like a coffee mug, a hot warm coffee mug, and then just simply press on install. So since I already have installed it on my computer, I don't need to do it. Yeah guys, so I'm just gonna go back to the game. Okay guys, now I'm in the game. So what Optifine does, it boosts your FPS. So right now my FPS is at 5 FPS and 9. That's because I'm recording my screen right now, and my computer is running two things at once. But when I'm not recording and I'm using Optifine, the frames per second or the FPS is about 19 FPS. So that's a big thing. But like when I'm not using Optifine and just running Minecraft without even recording, it's like this much FPS. As you guys can see, it's at 9 FPS right now. My game right now, it's it's like 9 FPS when I'm not even recording and I haven't installed Optifine on my computer. So I don't know why. That's the maximum my computer can run if I'm playing Minecraft without Optifine. Yeah, so Optifine does a really big thing in Minecraft. It's really big thing. So that's why I use mine like Optifine. But there is also a sad thing. When you are using Minecraft and also you are using Discord, if you don't know Discord, just go to Google and look it up. So when you're using Discord and Minecraft at the same time, normally Discord detects your game. But when you are using Optifine, Discord doesn't detect your game. That's because Discord doesn't detect any game that has a mod installed on it. So remember, Optifine is a mod and Discord does not detect it. So that's really sad. Well, for me, I think. So now if we go to the settings or options, you guys, like on the normal Minecraft, it's the same thing. There's nothing like different from this. But if we go to controls, also you guys might see things the same. But if you go down here, you will see something different. That's right, it's zoom right here. In the normal Minecraft without Optifine, this feature is not available. This is only available in Optifine. So what it does is easy. When you press C, it zooms. It's really helpful to zoom things without going near the thing. I really like that feature. It's one of my favorite features in Optifine. And if we go to video settings, it has more than one option in here. And it also says Optifine HDG2 Pre 4 Ultra graphics. Yeah, I really have to update it. And you have graphics fast, smooth lighting maximum. It's the same thing. And also down here we have the Optifine features. And it says dynamic lights. What is that? Dynamic lights. So right now I have put it on fancy. So it's not these lights, not the light of the game. So in the normal Minecraft without Optifine, if we go to a cave, we have to place torches. But when you on this, it's way different. So I'm just going to go like this, and there's a skeleton. I'm not placing any torches. If I do this, it lights up my way. I don't know why Mojang hasn't put this feature to the real game. Why haven't y'all put this to the real game? This is such a super cool feature if this was in the game. That's one of my favorite features in Optifine. It's my favorite. So if we go back to video settings, we have more stuff here. We have shaders. Unfortunately, when I put a shader, my game crashed. I don't know why. So I have already installed shaders. When you install shaders, do not unzip them. In this game in Optifine, you get a shaders folder. Just run or you can just click on this. It will come to this. Just drag your zipped shader here, like that. So it's that easy, like that, and click on done when you have done, and then details, and you have some super awesome options here. Just look at this: clouds default, trees default, sky on. You can off the sky. I haven't test this even. Let's test it right now, shall we? Oh, it's not that kind of a big difference, but like the sky, the bluish color of it is gone. So I don't really like that. Let's on it. And we have sun and moon on and off. Fog fast, that's the fog. If you can't see it, stuff like that. And this, and yeah, it's kind of cool. And we have rain and snow. We can adjust that. So the main goal in Optifine is like boost your FPS. All these options are for boosting your FPS. And we have animations, so these are the particles and animations, water animation, fire animation. You can off this if you want, but I like to keep all of them on because I like to keep them on. You can simply like off them like by pressing this, and you can on them by pressing this. And we have quality right here, and we can adjust this. This better grass is also one of my favorite things. If we put it fast, the grass comes here. You guys might be wondering, that's how the like YouTubers fix their grass like this. Yeah, I kind of like this feature. You see, it's not like, now it's not ugly, it's like so green. It's the same thing if you put it to fancy, but yeah, fancy off. I'm gonna keep it off because it lags my game a little bit. And we have connected textures and natural textures, so let's keep that on for now. So right here we have this oak wood. So normally in Minecraft, the oak wood, like you see these like patterns, right? So normally in Minecraft the patterns are the same, but do you guys see a different? Right here you guys see this, like this, and like that, but in here there's no anything like that. It's kind of upside down. That's because like the patterns change when you make that on. So let's keep that off, and now look, it's the same pattern again. So that's also kind of good, so it doesn't look like it's repeating a pattern. I kind of like it, but I don't want to keep it on. I just like it off. And we have performance. I do not recommend it like on and off all of these, because they don't really do that much kind of a difference. If we like on this smooth FPS, it will actually drop your FPS. So there are some like cons of those also. And we have show FPS. You can, if you want, you can show your FPS right here. If you guys see, we have 8 out of 7, and you guys can see it, right? And you can off it, and weather, you can on off the weather, you can on off full screen, and you can auto save. You can set this, so then it will save your world like from 9 seconds, stuff like that. And we have show GL errors. I really don't know what this does, but I'm sure you guys can find it out yourself. You guys are actually smarter than me. Right, that, yeah, we have those. And we have render distance. That's usually from the normal game. Yeah guys, so remember guys, the main thing of using Optifine is to boost your FPS. If your FPS is really low, like mine right now, you should use Optifine to make your gameplay much better. So I really like using Optifine. It's like my normal Minecraft. Every day when I play Minecraft, I use Optifine. So if you guys learn something from this, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and also please leave a comment guys. I really like to hear what you guys think about my videos. I just don't know what to say about them. I really like to hear what you guys think. They like makes me so happy. Yeah guys, so see you in the next video.